My name is Yushik Kim, CEO of TASGLOBAL. We all know a new global biofouling regulation is coming. Every ship needs to maintain a clean hull. To clean it, there are only two ways: reactive, proactive. We have a proactive hull cleaning robotic system called MMECH, maritime mech, which is 200 times cheaper than reactive cleaning and the fastest. And not only does MMECH meet the global requirements, it is also scalable to onboard robots. How do I prove my claim? Well, there are 10 million reasons. $10 million in revenue this year and still growing fast. We at TASGLOBAL are looking for partners for setting global standard, putting our robots in every port of the world, and going initial public offering together. Thank you so much.